Hi guys, welcome. Maybe first time, maybe already you've done some few sessions outside with me, my holiday yoga right now. If you're watching first time, please click subscribe button and click notification bell. Never miss any content from my channel. I'm on holiday right now, but always is good time for yoga and it's a beautiful setting, so why not? I can't resist it. Okay, we're ready to start right now. I'm going to start cross legs, sitting nice and upright with your arms up. Inhale, slowly exhale. Deep breath in, slowly out. A few more, which really high, really stretch your upper body. Lengthen your spine, stretch your arms. Inhale and exhale. And again, lift your arms. Slowly relax. Inhale. Slowly exhale. One more. And relax. Now your right arm bent to your left. Remember to keep your right arm straight, left shoulder relaxed, left elbow nice and soft. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Now your left arm straight. Relax your right side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Bring your arms. Try to twist left and right. Inhale and exhale. Use your core muscles as you twist. Pull your belly in. Really work with your abdominal area. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale. Great way to mobilize your lower back. Also build the strength in your upper body by keeping arms like this. Improves the strength in your shoulders and your arms. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Just one more to your right. And relax. Relax your shoulders. Okay, now you got left leg in front of you. Foot is nice and flat. Right is underneath. Hands behind your left. Inhale. Try to bring your knee close to your body, keeping your position as upright as you can. And on your exhale, lift your leg. Don't think about keeping your leg straight. Think about lifting your foot. Better to keep a few inches up. Instead, stretch and bring your leg down. Bring your knee as close as you can to your chest and hold and check if you can stretch more, or you need to hold it and just hold position like this. Okay, this is the way to correctly build the strength, improve the flexibility back of your left leg. If your leg is straight but you're moving down, hamstring is not ready for that deep stretch. So better to keep here and work with the smaller movement. Eventually, as you work and practice more, you'll be able to lift your leg higher, but without compensation like this. Okay? Inhale, floor, and exhale, try to lift up. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. Inhale and exhale. Okay, you can hold, you can flex your foot, pull your knee closer maybe, opposite hand to your right, and now your left. Inhale, try to twist. Slowly exhale, center. Inhale. And exhale, you can reach to your foot. Keep your right hand behind your left knee. But if you're fine, wrap your foot. Pull your knee closer, okay? Really keep your left leg close to your chest. Inhale. And exhale. Perfect. You can hold, you can try to stretch your left leg again. Inhale and exhale. If you're comfortable with this position, try to bring your left arm behind your knee and hold like this and try to stretch your leg. Still sitting as upright as you can. You can try with your right arm behind, maybe fingers, maybe you can reach to your wrist area, and you're trying to stretch your leg. Okay, again, find a position and option which works for you. All right, if you're not here right now, that's okay. This is the way to be there, but you need to improve the flexibility, especially on your lower body, your legs, your hips. Inhale and exhale. Good. Maybe two more, whatever option works for you. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. Okay, now reach right leg in front of you. Hands behind. Knee to your chest. Inhale, foot down. Exhale, try to lift up. Work with your core muscles. Keep your position nice and upright. Shoulders down. Beautiful. Inhale and exhale. Again, be aware you're not making this movement, okay? You're sitting without changing alignment in your spine. Nice and upright. This is just your leg from your knee. And you've got knee the same place, the same position, okay? Inhale and exhale. You can try flex your foot. Bring your knee closer. Left hand behind your knee, adding the twist. If it's not very comfortable, you can't sit upright, just continue this movement. Okay, this is next step to stretch your muscles if they are ready. You can add the twist if you're feeling your spine is still nice and long. You feel nice, stretch your upper body as well as your right leg. You can hold, inhale, exhale, stretch with this twist or previous option. Remember, as you know already, if you're my regular viewer, yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different, and that's absolutely fine. You can hold or you can try right arm front of your right leg and you're pulling back, hand behind around your hip, reaching for your fingers first. After that, gonna be your wrist. Hold or check if your body is ready for deeper stretch, but you're trying to sit as upright as you can. Good. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Check your core muscles. Check your smile. Perfect. Maybe you can hold whatever option. Remember, it's no pressure. Okay? We're all different. Beautiful. Inhale, slowly exhale. And relax. Perfect. Now let's take position on your knees. If your left leg straight to your side, strong glutes on your left, right arm. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Straight arm, watch your elbow. Make sure you straight, relax your left shoulder. Perfect. Inhale and exhale. One more. Excellent. And relax. Okay, right leg, left arm. Feel the stretch on your left side. Could be your right leg as well, if it's very tight muscle, especially your inner thigh, which means you need this stretch more often. Inhale, slowly exhale, perfect. Push your left arm, elbow straight, but your right side relaxed. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, now for your hips and your inner thigh. If you imagine you're in the center of the big clock, so you've got 12 in here, it's gonna be 11, 10 and 9. Depends what's the flexibility in your inner thigh and what's the range of movement in your hip. You're going to place your foot on your 11, 10 or 9 o'clock, okay, without twisting body. So you got your hips and your shoulders facing forward, so just your leg out, okay, from your hip. And you're trying to pull your knee back, hips forward, knee back, okay, hold it. Or if you're more flexible, adding the movement, your hips down towards your left heel, but without compensation. When you're leaning forward, you're flexing your hips, stretching is just too much. So as long as you're still pushing hips to the front, and you're pulling your knee back, that's the right way to stretch your inner thigh. Good. Inhale and exhale. Foot is flat, you can see this nice arch in your sole. Okay, if you're pulling too much, you need to lose this shape. So you need to focus more to keep this position and knee back, hips forward. Okay. If someone is really flexible, you can try to increase the stretch by reaching down to your left foot or even lifting your right arm. Inhale, slowly exhale. Perfect. If it's still good, right arm behind, left elbow to the floor. If you're comfortable with the stretch, your left side, left hip and your inner thigh, you can try left arm from the inside and again around your left hip. So you're reaching for your fingers or again your wrist. Hold, or you can rock again side to side. Maybe on the left leg straight, or you can sit on your right foot, pulling your chest down to the floor. To increase the stretch, please remember every another option is to increase the stretch if your body is ready, okay? You can try, but it's not working for you today. Stick on the previous one. Inhale and exhale. Find the one you like it and hold. Keep smiling. And slowly relax. How was it? Good. Now your right leg. So now I've got number 1, 2 o'clock or 3. Check. As long as the stretch is here and you're keeping the rest of your body facing forward, you can try go for the number 2. If you're pulling your knee forward, bring it back. If you're still comfortable squeezing glutes to hips forward and you pull your knee, try 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Okay, hold it like this or increase the stretch if you're ready. If you're comfortable in the stretch, you're not twisting, you're not moving your hips back, because as you remember, that's the way body is going to compensate if you're forcing for too much. Okay? Inhale when you relax, exhale as you stretch. Inhale, slowly exhale. Carry on or try go lower. Inhale and exhale, maybe flat hand, which means the stretching is very deep right now. On your right side, still good. Try elbow to the floor. If you're comfortable, you're ready to bring your arm behind, reaching for your fingers or your wrist. You can try just rock side to side, or you're going lower, sitting on your left foot to stretch your right leg. Again, I'm giving you a few options. And for people who are super flexible, because I can see you. And this time I'm doing yoga for all levels. Perfect. Inhale when you relax. Slowly exhale as you're trying to stretch more. Inhale and exhale. Now find a position. Maybe you need to be here for now, which is okay. Okay? Or you are with me really low and you're still smiling. Good. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And relax. Okay. Let's lay down your back. And now just cross your legs again, hands or arms if you can reach, and just rock side to side. Good, breaths in, slowly out. Beginners, the best way change position from laying down your back is roll and sit. If you already have got strong core, you can just rock and sit like this. And arms, inhale, slowly exhale, and relax. Okay, so thank you. That was another video outside from holiday yoga for you all. Beautiful setting, and I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please give me thumbs up, and please check the subscription button and notification bell just right here. So thank you for now, and see you next time. Bye guys.